One of the most interesting things is the definition of mass customization, and how traditionally in industry and in manufacturing a product that works, and how does that apply and is relevant to architecture. Obviously originally termed as a way to appeal to a wider audience. We're now talking about buildings as products, for better or worse, and how that could then be successfully sold to customers, to people who might live in them or work in them, and how to do that in a positive way and in an affordable way, and the challenges around those.
There was some interesting debate around the customisation of, say, a luxury car order and how that fits or doesn't fit with this. What were your views?
Yeah, I struggle with that because we don't build buildings in factories, and I can't imagine any time in the very near future with such variance of sites. You know, a car moves, it goes on a road, whereas a building is stuck in a site and it has to be built in that site and built in all weather, all conditions. It can't be easily sort of taken to a garage and repaired. So I think the analogy with a car is problematic, because those tolerances, those details that can be accomplished in cars just can't quite be accomplished in architecture.
And finally then, what about the future? How do you see mass customisation, particularly in construction and architecture, actually taking a foothold?
I think for me, if there is a shift in the way things are manufactured, and commonly talked about, modularizing things, but I think it's more than just making one firm or one construction company making a module that then everybody buys and uses. It's about open sourcing those ideas and allowing a distributed network of people to use those ideas and build from those ideas. And that, for me, is the only way that I can see mass customization happening, because that would allow it to happen at scale, that would then be mass. And that allows people to add in customizations because they're not constricted by, traditional building traditional building setups that make those customizations more tricky.